Hello everyone, a warm welcome to English Tech Magazine Computer Vignanam.
How to recognize fake PAN card.
PAN card is very important document. It is very useful to every person. From 2018, Income Tax Department has arranged enhanced quick response code QR. In this, all details regarding taxpayers are available. But some PAN cards too have came based on QR code. So, how to recognize fake PAN card? 1. First go to Google Play Store and download enhanced PAN QR code reader app. 2. Also check whether the QR code app has been developed by NSDS e-governance infrastructure limited. 3. Then click next option. 4. Then in this middle of your screen a camera like viewfinder with a green dot will open. 5. Once you scan it, you get all the details. While doing this, recognize these things. To use this app, you need to have 12 MP sensor camera with autofocus. You must maintain 10 cm distance between camera with autofocus. Be careful that flash or external light does not fall on QR code. When you scan QR code, check that phone does not shake. Scan horizontally. Keep PAN card clean, otherwise the QR code might get affected.
If you found this video is useful, please like. For many such useful and informative videos, please subscribe to our channel Computer Vignanam. Thank you.